Good morning everyone. Myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today we will discuss about pharmaceutical incompatibilities. Now we will discuss about pharmaceutical incompatibilities. Pharmaceutical incompatibility is defined as a change resulting and an undesirable product is formed, which may affect the safety, efficacy, appearance, and stability of the pharmaceutical product. It is pharmaceutical incompatibility may occur due to the interaction between two API and excipient, or interaction between two excipient. The undesirable changes may be physical change, chemical change, or change in therapeutic effect of formulation. Pharmaceutical incompatibility may occur during compounding, formulation, manufacturing, packaging, dispensing, storage, and at the time of drug administration. In this slide, we will study about various types of pharmaceutical incompatibilities. The incompatibilities occur when the components of a medicine interact in such a way that properties of that medicine are adversely affected. It may be physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, and therapeutic incompatibility. Now, in this slide, we will study about physical incompatibilities. When two or more than two substances are combined together, a physical change takes place and an unacceptable product is formed. Interaction between two or more substances, which may lead to change in color, odor, taste, viscosity, and morphology, is called as pharmaceutical incompatibility. It means when two API or excipient or interaction between excipient and excipient takes place and there is a change in the physical state of formulation, then it is known as pharmaceutical incompatibility. Physical incompatibility maybe leads to insolubility, immiscibility, precipitation, and liquefaction of material. Now in this slide we will study about chemical incompatibilities. Reaction between two or more substances which lead to change in chemical properties of a pharmaceutical dosage form is known as chemical incompatibility. It leads to the formation of toxic or inactive product. Chemical incompatibilities takes place due to change in pH, oxidation-reduction reaction, acid-base hydrolysis, and double decomposition complex formation. These are the basic reasons behind the chemical incompatibilities. The chemical reaction may be noticed by precipitation of component, effervescence, decomposition, color change, or explosion. Types of chemical incompatibilities. It may be based on chemical interaction, based on nature of chemical reaction, based on the prescriber, precipitative yielding interaction, or alkaloid incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be due to soluble salicylate incompatibility, soluble iodides incompatibility, chemical incompatibility causing evolution of carbon dioxide gas, or miscellaneous incompatibilities. Now, in this slide, we will study about therapeutic incompatibility. It is the modification of the therapeutic effect of one drug by the prior concomitant administration of another. It may be as a result of prescribing certain drugs to a patient with the intention to produce a specific degree of pharmacological action. But have restore or intensity of the action produced is different that intended by the prescriber. Following questions may be arises after the complete study. Question may be: define pharmaceutical incompatibility. Enlist which incompatibility can occur during formulation of suppositories. What are the different types of incompatibility? Enlist different types of chemical incompatibility, and what is therapeutic incompatibility. These are the some references that can be used for further study. Thank you. Thank you very much for your kind attention. You can refer given email ID and contact number for any clarification.